Everything around change should start with curiosity. Who are we? How did we get here? Where are we heading? Ooh, what's that? Tell me more. Curiosity is the base ingredient for learning, which, as our kids showcase to us daily, is the critical component of adaptability, growth, change, and potentiality. Now, add in some confidence and you have a winning recipe. A confidence that says, I think I can move forward. Progress is in my control. I have options here. I can add value. It's not about ego and being right and better than everybody else. Confidence plus curiosity equals creativity. And creativity is about the only thing currently holding back our killer robot overlords. Be creative, be confident, be curious. That is the Disorganizer's credo. Hey, thanks for watching. I will post each of the 99 episodes to the social channels listed here. I would love to hear your thoughts on these disorganizer topics. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow below. How can I help?